isiqhenyana sabachakali siphikelele ukuthi sifuna ukubona ikululeko eSwatini. Lo ngomunye umtjhjagalo wemtjhjagalo yokulilela bona ahaba amajuguluko enarheni leya.
Before negotiations or dialogue begins, you must unban political parties, remove all political obstacles, including access to the media. And number 2, you must release all political prisoners, including a South African citizen by the name of Amos Mbenze, who is currently serving 85 years in prison.
iANC beyidosa phambili umtjhjagalo lo begodi ithi kuqhakathekile ukuthi urhulumende weSwatini abathathele ehloko abantu beSwatini ngombana sebaphela nehliziyo.
We took a view as the ANC to stand with the people of Swaziland, as you know that conference resolutions of the ANC has always stood on the side of the oppressed of the world, and Swaziland is part of those, and we are here to stand in support of the people of Swaziland to call upon democratic reforms.
AmaSwati athi angeze avuma ukukhandelwa ukuthi afumane ikululeko yawo.
We came here just to strengthen our call for freedom and democracy in the country. As we all know, the situation is not getting any better.
Nakusenjalo abatjhotjhozeli ababathi bazokuraga nokubeka urhulumende weSwatini ngaphasi kwegandelelo ukuqinisekisa ukuthi kuba netuthuko begodi bathi bayalisekela ijima elirholwa ye-SABC lokulinga ukuletha ukuthula eSwatini.